Hi there. There are so many words that look completely different in they sound. So there are probably at least a few that you have been saying incorrectly without knowing it. Well, not anymore, because in this video we are going to talk about 20 commonly mispronounced words. In previous video we have already discussed about all these common mispronounced words. So if you haven't watched the video yet, the link is in the description. Here the word is breakfast, which is commonly mispronounced as breakfast. It is breakfast. Sit down and have breakfast with us. Now the word is earth. Its correct pronunciation is earth, so remember earth. She had been familiar with most herbs. Here comes the another word, which is entrepreneur. Remember, it's entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. Many successful entrepreneurs come from tough working class backgrounds. Here the word is monk, which is commonly mispronounced as monk. Remember, it's monk. It's not the hood that makes the monk. Now the word is tomb, which is mispronounced as tomb. It is tomb. Remember, tomb. His tomb is in the churchyard. Now the word is pizza. Remember, it's pizza. Are we going to have pizza for lunch? Now the word is berry. It's not berry, so remember berry. I want to bury him. Now the word is asthma. Remember, it's asthma, not asthma. I think he's having an asthma attack. Here comes another word, which is banquet. It is banquet. The whole of the banquet scene is mimed. Now the word is almond. Its correct pronunciation is almond. It is not almond. It was too late in the year for the almond blossom. Here the word is coupon. It's coupon. The coupon is not valid if detached. Now the word is quart. It's not coat, remember, it's quart. Always get a written quote for any repairs needed. Here comes the another word, which is heart. It's not hurt, remember, it's heart. Her heart was starting to flutter. Now the word is February. Its correct pronunciation is February. On the 11th of the February, he died. Now the word is demon. It's not demon. Remember, it's demon. What demon possessed me that I behaved so well? Here the word is develop. It's develop. Develop. He would begin out to develop a sense of humor. Here the word is cabin. Remember cabin. The cabin was no longer in sight. Here the word is pronounced as truth. It's truth. Any truth is better than make-believe. Here the word is meme. Remember, it's meme. Would you be interested in a brand new photo meme? Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Comment down which of these words you have been pronouncing all wrong. Like and share the video